how to find out if the iPad Air second generation has bad charging port, bad TriStar IC or bad power management chip. This is the issue of the power management chip. Is just I plug the cable, show me 0, doesn't charge. Let me show you again. Up with the one hand. Okay, plug, doesn't charge, doesn't show, 0 amperes. When shut down the device, it's going to charge right away. You see, 1.8 amperes, 2 amperes. And it's gonna be 47. If I leave it like this never going up until I restart. But still it's charging, right? But if I disconnect and connect, it's not going to charge. There you go, disconnecting, connecting, 0 amps. If I restart, it's going to start charging again. Check. There you go. This is main power management chip.